Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. In Unity, enums are used to define a set of named integral constants representing different options or states for a variable. When you want to select multiple enums in the Unity inspector, you can use the flags attribute in combination with bitwise operations. This allows you to select multiple enum values using checkboxes in the inspector. Here is a step-by-step tutorial on how to select multiple enums in the Unity inspector. 1. Define an enum with the flags attribute above it. This attribute tells Unity that the enum values can be combined using bitwise operations. 2. Create a monobehaviour script that contains a public variable of the enum type. This variable will be displayed in the inspector for selection. 3. Attach the script to a gameobject in your scene. You will now see the selected options variable in the inspector. 4. To display checkboxes for selecting multiple enum values, use the enum flags field attribute above the enum variable in the script. 5. Now, go back to the Unity editor and select the gameobject with the attached script. You will see checkboxes next to each enum value under selected options. You can select multiple options by checking the checkboxes. 6. To check if a specific enum value is selected in your script, you can use bitwise operations. By following these steps, you can select multiple enums in the Unity inspector using checkboxes. This technique is useful for creating customizable options for your game objects and components.